Let's talk about how to improve our searches using keywords. It's important to understand that databases communicate differently than we are used to. When we talk to other humans, we use grammar and connecting words that help us share our meaning and ideas with others. Databases retrieve results by matching the words you search to the words in item records. If all the words in your search are in the item, the database shows it to you. So, the more words in your search, the more limited your results will be. When we include words in our searches that aren't important ideas, we are removing relevant sources from our results. This doesn't mean we should only search one word at a time, but it does mean we need to be very intentional about which words we include. Consider the research question. How has media affected perceptions of race in America? In this question, let's identify the words that are the most meaningful, those that must be in a record for it to be relevant to our search. Media is pretty important. Perceptions is important. Race and America are both important. Without any one of these words, we would be doing a very different search. You might have been tempted to include affected as an important word. The problem with words like affected, affect, relationship, etc. is that they might be included, but often aren't. It's safe to assume that if all of these words appear in a title or abstract, that we are going to be investigating some kind of relationship, even if it's not described in the way that we expect. It's okay to try searches with these words, but try some without, too. So that has us searching media, perception, race, America. This is a fantastic start, but we have one more problem we can solve. See, we talk about ideas in a variety of different ways. Some of these words have different connotations, but may be effectively the same when we're talking about database searches. For example, if I wanted to talk about a female human, I could say woman, lady, girl, female, etc. That's one idea described by several different words. I can account for this variety of language by brainstorming alternate words and trying different searches with some of the different keywords I've brainstormed. It can also be helpful to try searches using broader keywords. If you don't get many results for American Shorthair, for example, try a search with cats, the larger category to which the American Shorthair belongs. Keep an eye open for new keywords to try when searching. Then record the keywords and searches you've used. Doing so will help you keep from repeating your work and will help you gauge which searches work best. Pause this video here to practice selecting keywords from a research question. Push play when you're ready to hear the correct answer. What is the relationship between exercise and stress levels in women? In this research question, we would select the words exercise, stress, and women as important or key terms. Without any one of these words, we'd be doing very different research. You may have been tempted to include the word relationship. Remember that if you choose to do so, to also try searches without that term as well. Selecting keywords is an important part of research. But if this doesn't make sense, don't worry. Contact a librarian for extra help.